The emotional is start on the organs, like the hatred, impatience, happiness in the heart, the mistrust in the spleen, sad depression in the lungs, fear, phobia in the kidney, and the angry jealousy in the liver. So when we have this emotional part, they are very difficult for us because it's stored in the organs. In the Western part is psychology part. Talking. When you're small, you've been hit, you've been put in a bathroom, turn off light and lock you in there. That's very trauma for children. And in the olden time, their parents don't know, and the trauma already have happened inside there. Okay, so in a Tao way, we said, so we have securing sound. You have to go to the organ and emotional part. They have each sound, like the heart sound, horse sound. Heart sound. So you follow the heart sound, and the heart fire burn, turn to ashes, turn to earth, and the spleen sound. Spleen who have another sound, who sound, and lung have the snake sound. So each one have one sound, especially for organs, in order to releasing a negative emotional part. Okay, so we have to work on the organ and the negative part, and learn how to smile to the organ in touch with it. Everything is all in the brain, but in the Tao said no. Brain is, yes, control everything, but the source of emotional is original in the organs. Brain, you have to go to very psychology. The psychologists, they take so many years to study, to study people's brain, and to how to talk to people, how to change their mind, and they come back again. So that's why you have to continue on psychology that way. And they have so they have work to do the rest of their life, you know. And in the Tao way, we said when we believe organ have emotional, and you have each sound we call securing sound. Each sound have one organs and one emotion and emotional. When you do the sound, you can releasing emotional, but it's not forever. Now every day we go out, we encounter the emotional again, and we have it again. Okay, unless you lock yourself in a house and you don't go anywhere and nobody bother you. So that is how the securing sound, inner mind, energy work have to do it every day. The true healing, you have to. We said you have to awakening your own healing power, because we have healing in ourselves. Like when we have in the jungle, when we have no medicine, you get cut. If you learn how to protect yourself and don't do anything, the body will start to heal yourself. If you get sick, so animal when they get sick, all they know is go into a cave, in the dark cave, and hide there for many days. No eating, nothing, just hide there in the dark for a few days or weeks, or some of them by months, until they recover and come out. Animal, they have no doctor, okay? So they have to heal themselves. The same thing, human have a healing power. So that's why in the Tao said, awakening your healing energy. That's the first step we learn. So when you learn how to breathe low in the lower dantian, we call the original force. That is your own energy that you're born with it. This original force have the original energy that you have. When we get sick, if you learn how to sleep, rest, and do the breathing in lower abdominal, and make the red, and try to feel a red dantian fire. So this you increasing. We in the Tao said, when you do the breathing on the lower abdominal, we call adding more fire into your life. I mean, every time you're breathing, inhale, exhale, you're adding more fire into your life. So you have more fire in your life, you have more energy. And now when you have more your own original energy, you can heal yourself. We talk about the soul and spirit. Okay, so in the Taoism, when we say the spiritual part, that means we're working on the heart, original spirit, and the spleen is trust, and the lung is the courage spirit, kidney is the willpower spirit, and the liver is the kindness, generosity spirit. So each one has soul and spirit, and each one have their own emotional. So when we have any emotional, we know what to do. Okay, yourself. But in the West, you don't know. You have to find a psychology, and they have to talk to you for a few hours in order to make sure that what kind of emotional, where you come from when you're small, when you are, your father scored you, your mother hit you, spank you, and everything. And all the people, when you're small, the neighbor, and all this kind of thing, emotional part. But in the Tao, we believe that when we turn inwardly, we started to aware the organ. And when the organ have emotional, you feel that, hey, I feel it. My heart have hatred. I do the heart sound. Let go the emotion. Let go the heart. It doesn't mean take them all. In the Taoist, they always talk about balance. Tai Chi, balance. So you take out a little bit excess, and now negative, positive balance. That's all. Don't have to be a perfect person. You still have emotional. You still don't like these people. You don't like this guy. You don't like that guy. It's okay. And now you learn how to. I don't like this guy. I'm not think that we can. Okay, I don't think that we can go together. So I avoid you. I don't want to make too close to you. That's it. So you know yourself, and you don't want the other people emotional affecting you. That is the whole key, you know.